Worksheet 2, question number 1. Find area of the quadrilateral PQRS. Here given QS 7 cm and altitude from its opposite vertices PX and RY, PX 4 cm and RY 3 cm. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS, that is equal to 1 by 2 into QS into PX plus RY, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 into 4 plus 3 centimeter square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 centimeter square, that is equal to 49 by 2 is equal to 24.5 centimeter square. Now question number 3. Question number 2 same problem. Question number 3. A regular octagon ABCDE, a regular octagon ABCDEFGH, having each side 5 meter. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to ED is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to GH. Each side 5 meter. Here it is given CH, that is equal to DG, that is equal to 11 meter, and altitude from its opposite vertex AM, that is equal to EN, it is equal to 4 meter. To find the area of this regular octagon. The area of a regular octagon ABCDEFGH is equal to area of a rectangle CDGH, area of this portion rectangle, plus area of trapezium ABCH, area of this trapezium, plus area of trapezium DEFG, area of this trapezium. The area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium plus area of this rectangle, that is equal to total area of this regular polygon. Now area of rectangle CH into CD plus area of this trapezium, so 1 by 2 into AB plus CH into AM, plus area of this trapezium, so 1 by 2 into EF plus DG into EN, that is equal to, putting value we get CH 11 into CD 5, 11 into 5 plus 1 by 2 into AB 5 plus CH 11 into AM 4 plus similarly 1 by 2 into EF 5 plus DG 11 into EN 4 meter square, that is equal to 55 plus 2 ja 4, 2 into 16 plus 2 ja 4, 2 into 16 meter square, that is equal to 55 plus 32 meter square is equal to 119 meter square. Now question number 4. A pentagon is in the form, here two parallel sides 15 meter each and distance between them is 12 meter and the distance of the vertex from its base is 28 meter. Two students, Neha and Nidhi, determined its area in 2 ways. The Neha's figure is here it divides this figure into trapezium, and Nidhi divides this figure in rectangle and triangle. Determine the area by Neha and Nidhi. So here in this figure, in Neha's figure, given AM is equal to 28, AM 28 meter, BC 15 meter, CD 12 meter, therefore CM 6 meter. So now area of pentagon ABCD, area of pentagon ABCD is equal to 2 into area of trapezium ABCM. ABCM, area of this pentagon is got double the total area. Therefore 2 into area of trapezium ABCM. That is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into BC plus AM into CM, area of trapezium ABCM. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So putting value 2 into 1 by 2 into BC 15 plus AM 28 into CM 6 meter square. 2 cancel. 15 plus 28 43 into 6 meter square, that is 258 meter square. Area measured by Neha is 258 meter square. Similarly, area measured by Nidhi performs this figure into figures. First triangle ABE and other rectangle BCDE. Here given BC 15 meter, that is equal to MN. BC is equal to MN 15 meter. CD is equal to BE is equal to 12 meter. AM is equal to 28 meter. MN is equal to 15 meter. Therefore AN is equal to AM minus MN. AM minus MN. 28 minus 15 meter, that is 13 meter. So now area of pentagon ABCD is equal to area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. Area of rectangle BCDE plus area of triangle ABC. Area of rectangle BCDE is equal to BC into CD, length into breadth, plus area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into altitude 1 by 2 BE into AN. Putting value we get BC 15, CD 12, 15 into 12 plus 1 by 2 BE 12 into AN 13 meter square. 15 into 12 180 plus 2 6 ja 12, 6 into 13 78 meter square, that is equal to 258 meter square. Hence both Nidhi and Neha perform similar area 258 meter square of this pentagon. Hence that is now HW do worksheet 2. Thank you.